Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the water inlet valve in your Frigidaire Laundry Center, you will need a number 2 square drive bit or a Phillips head screwdriver and pliers. Before you begin, unplug the power cord and shut off the incoming water supply. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall or out of the closet. You may need to detach the venting from the dryer to fully access the rear of the laundry center. If necessary, remove the drain hose from the standpipe or laundry tub. If you haven't already detached the hot and cold water supply lines to move the appliance, unthread them from the water inlet valve ports. Be prepared for some water to spill. Now use the number 2 square drive bit or the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the inlet valve to the rear panel. Push the valve in to detach it from the panel. Next, from the front of the appliance, use the putty knife to release the 2 retaining clips securing the washer's main top. Lift up the top and disconnect the lid lock assembly wire connector. You can now fully remove the main top. Reach into the cabinet to retrieve the inlet valve. Use the pliers to release the spring clamp so you can detach the outlet hose from the valve. Release the retaining tabs to disconnect the 2 wire connectors, and you can fully remove the old valve. To install the new water inlet valve, first connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Attach the outlet hose and secure it with the spring clamp. Position the new valve by inserting the ports through the hole in the rear panel. Reinstall the main top by first reconnecting the lid lock assembly wire connector. Secure the wire in the retaining clip. Now slide the rear of the main top under the rear retaining clips. Then realign the main top and push down to snap it into position. Returning to the rear of the appliance, thread the screw to secure the inlet valve to the rear panel. Attach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve ports. If necessary, reinsert the drain hose into the standpipe or hook it onto the edge of the tub. Reattach the venting if required, and move the appliance back against the wall or into the closet. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in. And your laundry center should be ready for use.